We're in our favorite place in the world, the northern area of Cape Breton. We are in kind of a big interval right now.
Yeah.
And we're staying at this cool cabin. We're at Maple Ridge Cabins.
All of these cabins have a beautiful view of the mountains, but they also have a little brook that's running down in between. So that's all you can kind of hear right now when you're out on the deck. A nice, peaceful, bubbling brook. And there's a barbecue and like a nice deck area. And let's go show you inside. All 6 of the cabins, I creeped them. I think that they're all very identical. They sleep around 4 people. So this is the cabin. It's pretty open. I think that this pulls out into a bed and that's why it sleeps 4. Yup. There's like a full kitchen and a bathroom through there. And then over here is the bedroom. Best part, the dogs aren't with us, but these cabins are dog friendly, which is super nice.
Tomorrow morning at like 3-ish, we'll be getting up and heading to Bay of St. Lawrence. We're gonna go on a boat and catch setting day.
Setting day is like the start of lobster fishing season or dumping day. These boats are loaded up with lobster traps and go out to start the season. It's a pretty big, I don't know, it's also just beautiful because all of the boats go out around the same time and we make a point of trying to see it every year around our region of Cape Breton, but we've never experienced it somewheres truly farther from where we're like our area of Cape Breton. Almadam a bit last year, but we were invited up here to northern Cape Breton to experience their setting day here. So that's why we're staying at this cabin. We won't be lobster fishing, we won't be setting the traps, but we'll be out on a boat beside boats that are setting.
If you watched our fall video last year, we went on a tour, like a boat tour with
Scott and Darcy. They're
it's
sweethearts.
Northern Tip Cape Breton Northern Tip Charters.
Yes.
So he's going to take us out. Haven't been up this early in a long time.
Yeah. We have about, what, 3 hours of sleep in us?
Going hiking on the boat, are you?
Well, wasn't sure what footwear to wear. Oh, buddy, it's a warm morning. I'm surprised.
17 degrees.
What? I'm overdressed.
Okay, Buster. That's enough. You're good.
Ah, you're so cute. This is Scott. He's gonna be taking us out today on a boat. They also just fed us an amazing little breakfast. And now we're waiting for setting day to begin. It's around 5-ish. Waiting for daylight.
It's quite dark.
Daylight, yeah, we're waiting for daylight to break because they're not allowed to leave until daylight breaks. So we're gonna watch, I think, from shore and then we'll go out on the boat later on.
You having fun?
I'm having a lot of fun.
Pretty low light, so this will be a true test for the Mavic 3. I think it looked good on the screen, so hopefully it looks good on YouTube.
They did not wait. Like 5 a.m.?
5 a.m. they were gone.
And like the energy of the first few boats compared to the rest, like the first I think 3 boats were just giving her. Like the water was splashing everywhere. It was really cool.
They're going at it.
We're about to get onto the Charles B, which is Scott and Darcy's boat, and go out and enjoy the morning.
What time's the bar open? Oh.
I am actually overdressed for this morning. It's not even that cold.
We found it.
We finally found the hammer. The mystery
Hammer,
that's
It's like 28.
the puzzle that's been we've been trying to figure out for a few years now.
That was so crazy. I flew through it and lost signal right when it was under the rock and thought I'd lost the drone. But thankfully it went through a little bit more and caught the signal back as it was flying up. Landing was a little bit sketchy, but
Everybody was sweating. David landing. It wasn't like I don't know, you had full control of the drone. Like it wasn't the drone or it wasn't David. It was just the fact that the boat was kind of like rocking a little bit more than we're used to.
the rocky and the wind.
Like we would, like when we took off, it wasn't as rocky and then it kind of picked up. So, yes.
Time for a nap.
Yeah, it's 7:30 in the morning. We have a full day ahead of us, but we're exhausted. So we might head back to our cabin now and take a nap. That was beautiful. That was such a cool experience. Setting day itself happened so early that it was a little bit hard for us to document, but getting out on the water was such a treat.
Good.
Did you hear what they were saying? They're thinking about doing tours around St. Paul's Island.
Oh, that'd be amazing.
Right?
Yeah.
It's like going to be like a 6-hour tour
They
thing.
have to do it.
Oh, I want to do it.
Had a great nap. We're gonna go check out Bulick Band and then probably head to Scott and Darcy's for some supper and catch sunset.
Also, we got a bunch of work done here because they have amazing Wi-Fi.
They have fiber up here.
So I don't know. I'm just still so impressed anytime we go somewhere and we're actually able to get work done.
Well, that's not happening.
It probably opens when Parks opens technically. So I think that's June.
Bulick Band, normally the easiest waterfall to get to ever because it's like a 2-minute walk. But if the gate is closed,
basically drive right up to it.
Yeah, if the gate is closed, then you're talking, I don't know, 20-minute walk from the gate.
It's still not that bad.
Not
but
that bad.
Something really cool about Maple Ridge Cottages is that it's right beside the park.
Yeah, this was like a 2-minute drive.
Yeah.
From the cottage.
Something to do. Update. We are making our way to Bay St. Lawrence and we've just encountered Sugarloaf, which is completely in the fog. There's like a big fog belt that's engulfed the area.
What's the scariest tree in the world?
I don't know. I don't know.
Bamboo.
I know, buddy.
They're like teeth too, eh?
That's so cool.
Take the beak off them.
Done. So I do this?
Yeah, put his nose on her, yeah. Push down and like a roll it. Yeah. And then rip it right apart now. Twist it apart. Yeah, and that's
it?
it, yeah.
Okay.
Take it right in your hand like this.
Okay.
Well, I'm left-handed. Maybe
Yeah, I
that's
can't do
fine.
left.
Yeah, okay. Or right hand, yeah.
Go like that.
Yeah,
Good.
and then like cut from here, like into here.
Okay.
Watch your fingers. Any from here you want, just shot like that.
Yep.
Just keep whacking it until you get
Don't
it.
chop your fingers.
Yeah.
Put that down.
Till you get it in good. There.
Once it's like this, you just twist it,
Okay.
Yeah.
and then that'll come right
You'll
out.
get it. Get it further down here.
Further down.
On
Oh,
your
on
knife.
here. Gotcha.
Yep. There. Yep.
If not,
Yeah.
chop it again. Give her
Yeah. Twist it the other way.
yeah. Give her.
You're good now. It's cracked there.
We just had a feed and a half of lobster and crab. It was so good. Scott and Darcy showed us how to properly crack open some lobsters and crabs, which was great. We're really full. No sunset tonight. It's pretty foggy, yeah. So we're gonna head back to the cabin with full bellies and happy hearts. It was such a good day. They are the sweetest. Holy hell, they are the sweetest freaking humans. If you're up Northern Cape Breton and you want to experience kindness, just find Scott and Darcy. They're the best. They also will be offering their boat tours, I think starting this fall. Yeah. Wow, that's awesome. Look at that fog bill. Oh my god.
That sunrise was nuts.
Well, we didn't really see it. We saw it
We're
through the drone.
in the clouds right now, so we had to fly up and over. But that mountain that you see, we're gonna go hike that now. And hopefully be above the clouds.
Keeping my eye out for moose and bears. This video is just gonna be me hiking up a mountain. David just like puts this whole tree down and then doesn't even hold it for me. I can't do that. I gotta go under.
You could just call her on the side.
Rude. This is beautiful. So pretty.
This is unbelievable. This is so crazy. I can't believe I've never been here before. This is nuts. This is a drop. And you can see over the other side. Ooh, don't like that. I was like, there's 100% a geocache here somewhere. Had a little look around. Found one, but it's full of water. It's a business card. So tall.
Take a breath, open your eyes, it's a beautiful life. Take a step, arms out wide, into the sunlight. see what I see. There's a glow all around. I can feel it in the air. It's like magic. This whole big world is ours. This whole big world is ours. Wander near and far. Oh, this whole big world is ours.
Moose around here, probably like, what the fuck are they on? You can't use me! We've completely fallen in love with this spot, so we can't wait to return when it's summertime. A little bit warmer, maybe do a sunrise here. Don't want to give anybody any ideas, but that's what we're gonna do.
What a view.
What a view and a half. We're never getting out of here. 2 seconds ago this fog wasn't here and now it's moving in, so I don't want to leave because I want to take a time lapse of it all moving in. Oh my god.
Why do pregnant cows have so much energy?
I don't know, something about calf, like decaf, or they're not on decaf. I don't know. What is it?
They're heavily caffeinated.
That's it.
I didn't bring my water bottle, and Skylar had a little bit, but
He drank
we
all my
ran out.
water.
But we were walking back. We're pretty much back now, but we found a can of beer, a full can of beer,
Unopened.
in like the shadow, so it was nice and chilled, like perfect. This has happened to me before.
Moosehead's basically water. I mean,
Ending this video here.
we're gonna head home. It's time to go home. But we had such a great time in the Bay St. Lawrence area, seeing some of like the fishing traditions and getting to experience some of that renowned Cape Breton hospitality. It was so nice. Like just welcomed us into their house and had breakfast and dinner with us and took us out on the boat just to watch the other boats. Like, I don't know.
Great.
It was just such a good, it was just a very wholesome video. Hopefully those watching it enjoyed it and it inspires you to kind of check out some small town communities. And
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Someone came and cut all of this stuff. Like all these branches. Why didn't they just cut the whole thing? Why didn't they just cut it off? Like, tall people. That's really close. God damn it. You had the saw, like, you could have just cut it. Convoy.
Convoy. Oh god, take that out of the video.
Convoy. It is not the safest place, but it is beautiful.
Whoa, who is this man?
We've actually been here for 4 hours. 4 hours.
It's fine. Like, why are you putting a time limit on me?
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh, okay.
We're in no rush.
I know.
Every morning